Hi there! Let's review how to unmanage and delete computers from Jamf Pro. Unmanaged computers do not count towards the number of licenses used by an organization. This allows admins to retain inventory records in Jamf Pro for computers not currently in use, but removes the ability for Jamf Pro to communicate with the computer. To start, let's log into Jamf Pro and click on the Computers tab. Even though we're unmanaging a computer in this video, if you want to unmanage a mobile device instead, click the Devices tab and follow the same steps. Search Inventory should already be selected on the left. We can search for a particular computer using the search field, or we can leave the field blank to find all computers when we click Search. Since this is my test instance, I'm clicking Search to find my one enrolled computer. Click the name of the computer you want to unmanage. Click the Management tab on the top left. In the Management Commands section, click Remove MDM Profile. If you're unmanaging a mobile device, you'll click Unmanage Device instead. This action cannot be undone, so be sure you've selected the correct computer. Once you're ready, click OK to remove the MDM profile. After refreshing the page, we can see that the unenroll command has been sent and is currently pending. After that computer checks in and the command completes, we can see that we no longer have any options for management commands and only the inventory record remains. If this computer is being prepped to be enrolled for a different user, donated, or recycled, we can take it one step further and remove the computer from Jamf Pro by clicking Delete in the bottom right. After confirming the deletion, the computer and its inventory record are permanently removed from Jamf Pro, and it is now ready to be re-enrolled, donated, or recycled. Thanks for watching.